The 2013 Henry Draper Medal, presented in the field of astronomy, is awarded to William J. Borucki of NASA Ames Research Center for his founding concept, unflagging advocacy, and visionary leadership during the development of NASA's Kepler mission, which has uncovered myriad planets and solar systems with unforeseen and surprising properties. Let me just add a few words of explanation. Kepler is a satellite which is staring at a patch of sky and measuring the brightnesses of 100,000 stars. And it was Bill's concept that the presence of a planet could be detected if the planet goes in front of the star and dims the light of the star. The only problem was that a precision of 10 parts per million would be required in order to detect that dimming. He wrote a paper about this in 1984, and with great vision and tenacity, he convinced the astronomical community and NASA that this was a workable concept. Kepler is up there, returning marvelous results. Most recently, last week, a wonderful press release detecting 2 probable planets in the habitable zone of their star called humid ocean worlds and possible locations of life. Bill, come on up and get your award.
Henry Draper was an eminent physician and a very serious amateur astronomer. He pioneered photography of astronomical objects, first the nebula in Orion, then stars and planets. He also was interested in spectra and invented the slit spectrograph. These were very important advances to astronomy in the 19th century. Kepler, too, is trying to advance our knowledge of astronomy, in this case by looking for planets, particularly planets that are Earth-sized in a habitable zone of stars similar to our Sun. We're trying to find out whether Earths are common or rare in our galaxy. If common, we may have life throughout the galaxy. If rare, we might be alone. So Kepler is a step, I like to think of as a step in mankind's exploration of the galaxy in search for life. I'd also like to thank the many groups that are required to make a mission like this successful. The people at NASA Ames, NASA headquarters, JPL, SETI, the people at University of California, Santa Cruz, at Berkeley, the many thousands of scientists that have worked throughout the world to use the data, appreciate the data, and make these discoveries. And most of all, of course, to my a very special thanks to my lovely wife, Josephine, who encouraged me and supported me over all the many, many years it took to get this mission executed from the time of the concept in 1984. So I really am honored to receive the Henry Draper Award and would like to thank you all.